Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add donation button on YouTube channel. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to studio.youtube.com, or you can just go to your YouTube, then click the profile icon, then go to YouTube Studio. Then open left sidebar, then click customization, then go to the basic info tab. This is where you can add links that appear in your channel banner. Then scroll down to the link section and click add link. And here you can paste a link to your donation platform such as PayPal, Buy Me a Coffee, or Patreon. Give your link a title like Donut or Supporting the Channel. Next, under link or banner, choose how many links you want to show. If you select one link, your donation button will appear as an icon on the bottom right corner of your channel banner. Then click publish. Now go to your YouTube channel page. However, over your banner, you should see your donation button or icon there. Click it to confirm it leads to your donation page. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.